Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will create this Chrome abstract object using curve in Blender 4.0, and it's a complete tutorial step by step, so let's get started. First, select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Now go in curve, we select curve spirals and choose spheric. Open this window and increase the number the radius, we make it bigger, maybe like this 4. Now we go here in property of the curve, here in geometry we extrude it a little. I give it a little depth. We change the round to profile, and here in preset we select crown, enable this and this. Now we go here, make sure that you are here in frame 1 and make it to 1. Right click, insert the keyframe. Now we go here in 16 and then decrease the number to 0. Insert keyframe. Now we change the timeline to 18 frame. Now if we play, we have this cool animation. Now we go here in object mode, we go here in modifier, add modifier, generate subdivision surface. We make it here to 2. Now we go here in add modifier, we select simple deform. We change this to 316. S and X, and we make it like this. S and Y, and we change now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view, and hit N to close. Now we go here property object. Now go here when you see the plus up and go here, shader editor. Hit N to close this window, and we will give to this object some materials. We make it metallic, and we decrease the roughness to 0.1. Now go in the world, here in color, we go here in environment texture, we go here to see, we open the HDRA, and I choose one of this. Maybe this one, we will see. Now go here in EV, we switch to cycles. Active your GPU if you have one. Decrease the number here to 32, and here to maybe 15. In color management, we make it very high contrast. Now we go here to see the render. Now we add a plane, S to scale it, G, Z down, and we give it some materials, we make it metallic, and we change it to any color you want. Now we have this cool animation. It's easy to make. So we go here in the render image to see. Here in the render image to see how look as this animation. Now, if you want to make this animation, go here and choose any folder where you want your animation and go here and make it FFmpeg video. In encoding you can choose MPEG 4 and here make it high contrast and go here and render the animation. You can make it in cycles or in EV if you want, but it's better to make it in cycles, but it's taking a time to rendering the animation. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoying to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.